Well, what's going on, everybody? I'm finna get ready to hit my garden with some of this 511, and I normally use that other version of it, but they want an arm, a leg, a nickel, a dime, and a quarter. So I'm gonna try this here out, and it works pretty good. I'm gonna post some down yonder, and it's dispenser here, and I don't. As y'all see, I done used it before, but I'm telling y'all, I ain't got to worry about nobody coming out here in my garden, because they probably gonna think somebody done died out here. This stuff is just that strong, and they got instructions on the back of it, but I'm just gonna eyeball it. Well, after fighting with getting this lid here on there, I think we ready to water. No, we ain't. I forgot to turn on the water. I reckon that's what I get for fighting, trying to put that lid back on there. But woo, this 511 gonna have this garden right, y'all. I'm telling y'all. Cause I about can't stand the smell of it right now. But let me go cut the water on. Before I get everything watered in, I'm gonna sprinkle these onion seeds around. And they out of date, so I'm just gonna use the whole pack. Just sprinkle them around and see if they come up. Hopefully they will. Sprinkle some in this bed. Sprinkle some in this bed here. Sprinkle all of them around. So maybe they'll come up. Hopefully they will. It's my first time trying this here, but I'm get some of these beets planted. I don't really like the way they taste, but if I can round them up and put them in some some capsules, and I can eat them all day. Hopefully they come up. Normally I do trades, but I ain't got time for no trades this year, at least right now anyway. I might try some later on. Well, as y'all seen last year, these Indian snake cucumbers, I'm gonna plant them again this year. I'm gonna put a couple in this container here. They come out. That's about 4 seeds. Get that one there on the edge. That's 5. Open these babies up. I don't need but one to come up, but if all 4 of them come up, that cattle pound will be there to hold them up, because as y'all seen last year, those babies get pretty heavy. I'm gonna sprinkle 1 or 2 more down yonder. If I catch them, if all of them come up, I catch them before they come up. I might move them, transplant a few of them. But if not, that cattle pound leave me or hold them up. That's right. We'll get these babies here watered in here. Well, I got it on this time. And that's why I like this sprayer here, because you can spray like that. Broadcast. Get everything watered. But, if y'all seen my last video, y'all know I showed y'all some seeds I planted here. And I know it was a cherry tomato and some cucumbers. And if I planted anything else, I done forgot. But this 511 is right, I can tell y'all that. I might ain't got to worry about the two-legged animals. I mean the four-legged animals. But I tell you what, the two-legged animals, I bet you they won't come around either once they get a whiff of this old 511 here. So it's about to run me out the garden now. I'm glad I didn't have no breakfast this morning. Getting a little bit on this old peach tree here. Hopefully I ain't shaking the camera to death. But I didn't tote my tripod around here because it seemed to get in the way sometimes. Y'all see that stretch on me? I'll come over here and get these strawberries and tomatoes and this broccoli I let go to seed water. I know I need to get them whatchamacallits out of here. I need to get out here and prune these tomatoes and keep them where they're growing tall. I just hadn't got to it yet. But it's 511 do these babies some good. Along with the strawberries over yonder. And there's him broccoli going to seed. I got to get out here and prune the whatchamacallits also. These well, y'all didn't tell me I had my hand in the camera. Get out here and prune these squash here. But we're getting these babies some good 511. Got a little bit more planting to do. Water these onions and this beets that I got over here. The seeds. I do got some weeds growing up that I got to get out the way. I ain't gonna bore y'all to death watering this garden. We got some more stuff to do out here. Y'all see that red yonder? Get over here and water. So I did drop those Indian snake cucumbers. I didn't even pay attention to that container there. I could have put some over yonder in that container. But as y'all see, I did get my other muscadines planted. I just got to get out here and put them on this cattle panel. Let's see if they're going to do anything this year for me. Y'all probably see them whatchamacallits over yonder. Those grapes down there. I'm hitting everything up from this 511. So they'll take off. At least that's the plan for them to take off. Y'all know what I mean? But I ain't gonna bore y'all to death watering the garden. Because that's one of the chores you got to do out here in the garden. Yeah. Hopefully that camera doing this some justice though. But I'll pick y'all up on the next project we got going on today. As y'all see, I'm still in it, still watering the garden. Giving everything a little taste of some water. Everything still hadn't woke up yet. The cinnamon there. It still hadn't woke up.